Hey yo, what's up guys? So today I'll be reviewing one of your requests, Golden Hour by Volare. Okay? So today we'll talk about how does it smell and then its performance. So let's make it quick lang. So before we start with the smelling as well as performance, this one is a dupe of LV City of Stars. So unfortunately, as always, I don't possess any OG of these dupes. So I'll be reviewing this based on what does it smells as well as its performance lang. Okay? Nando picture na ko. Bago niyan pala guys, if you didn't see my unboxing with this, the cup is quietly satisfying because it's magnetic. Okay, so let's go with the scent profile of this perfume. So this one opens with a burst of citrus coming from blood orange, lemon, as well as lime, blood mandarin. Okay, so it's not very like typical na citrus na maasim. So I get from this, it's kind of sweet na citrus. Okay, not as sweet as the Estaporo because that one may pagka-tropical, but this one pure citruses lang. And on the dry down, you will get that powdery musk or powdery notes and musk from this perfume. And it reminds me of this. This and this, almost same lang. And that's why they often describe the dry down of City of Stars or even this as a sunscreeny type of perfume. So if you search it sa Fragrantica or even here sa TikTok lang, most of them will describe this kind of perfume or even the OG City of Stars as a sunscreeny type of perfume. If you have this one sa bahay nyo, try. If you have also this, try it. Literally like 90 to 92%. Medyo close sila. So enough said, let's talk about the performance of Golden Hour. So, the longevity on my skin of this perfume is around 5 to 6 hours on my first try. But on my second try, surprisingly, it lasted for more than like 6 to 7 hours na. And then on the clothes, it can last up to 12 hours. Okay? And it projects just above average. So, hindi siya kind of loud just like the Esta Oro and Estaporo. But this one, very mass appealing. Okay? And this one is also unisex. For sillage, before I forgot, of course, there is a sillage from this perfume. I asked my mom as well as my coworkers and they literally said or described this perfume as parang high school vibes lang. So let's move on to the summary or the final verdict. Is it worth it? For me, yes. For a price of below 700 pesos, for 100 ml, for a Middle Eastern dupe of a famous fragrance from Louis Vuitton, san ka pa? Magnetic pa daw yun. So, I'll write this fragrance as 8 out of 10. Unfortunately, I thought this will go with a powdery vibe, not like this sunscreeny vibe. But I still like this one. But this is not my powdery na hinahanap-hanap ko.